So before beginning this video, there is an important thing. You need to have Node, Git and Heroku installed for this. So if you don't have Node or Git or Heroku installed, please install it before this video. I will provide the links to download in the description below. Hello there Sussy. Today we are gonna be doing the bot setup and hosting process in Visual Studio. If you want to learn how to create a bot, then watch my previous video, link in the description below, Amogus. So firstly, search for command prompt on Windows and terminal on Mac. In there type cd desktop, after that type git clone, and the URL will be in the description below, and then copy the URL and paste it and press enter. You will see that a new folder has appeared in your desktop. Simply drag and drop the folder there or open it in Visual Studio and then create a folder called Commands. Okay, so now comes the prefix part. If you want to learn more about it, go to my previous video. So we are just going to make a variable called prefix and set the value to the prefix which you want in quotes. And then assign the variable in prefix part, then copy the client ID thing and paste it again, but with an exclamatory mark so that the bot can be pinged if someone forgot its prefix. Okay, so now we have to add the bot token. We can do that by simply clicking the copy button in Developer Portal and head back to the text editor and then create a file with the name .env. Now type token in all caps, then put equal to and then paste the token. Now open the built-in terminal by going to View and Terminal. Then type npm install. Then let it install all the necessary packages. So now comes the hosting part. For hosting we are going to be using Heroku. This process can be a bit complicated, so please follow the video. Okay, so firstly go to Heroku and then create a new account. After that click new and then click create new app. Now give your application a name and then follow the steps which are given. Okay, so now you have to log into Heroku. Copy the Heroku login thing. Don't copy the dollar symbol. Now go back to Visual Studio and in the terminal paste that and then press enter. After that press any key other than Q to log in, and then in the browser click login. Now, head back to Heroku and then follow the steps given. As we are using the built-in terminal, we do not have to copy the cd my project thing. So follow the steps which are given. So now we have to create a file called .gitignore, and then inside that simply put node_modules and save it. So now you have to run a command. In the terminal type cp.env token. Token should be in all caps. This will add the .env file to Heroku so that it can connect to the bot. Now after running git commit, instead of entering git push Heroku master, run git push Heroku main. You may get to error failed to push like me. In that case simply enter git branch -m main and then run git push Heroku. After it's complete, type Heroku open. If you have followed all the steps correctly, you should see the text. Now I am gonna add my bot to my server real quick. If you don't know how to, then follow the steps. our bot is online. Let's see if it responds. It responds, which means that it works. So congrats. You probably have created your first bot. Now if you want to learn how to code, then wait for my next videos where I will teach you the code with which you can create very advanced commands.
Sussy baka, you are such a sussy baka. Amogus is such a sussy baka. Why are you so sussy? Stop being such a sussy baka. You are so sussy. This is so sus man. Why is Amogus so sussy? You sussy baka. Why are you so sussy? You sussy baka. Why are you so sussy?